welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's get right into this video. So I'm just starting off with some base coat. I'm painting a layer over all the nails, and then I'm going to cure in my nail lamp for 30 seconds. And for this set, I'm doing the lazy girl method once again. I feel like this method is really good for people who can't really do their dominant hand. So yeah, I'm just taking some base coat, painting a layer inside the nail, and then I'm putting some foil flakes inside and then curing. That way it stays in place once I place my polygel.
It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
Once I cure that a little bit, I'm just putting some white polygel using the same kit that I used in my last video. If you haven't watched that yet, please go check it out and make sure you like it. But yeah, I'm just putting some polygel inside the nail. You don't really need a lot because when you press it down, some of it will spill from under the nail and you don't want to waste product. So a little bit goes a long way. Once you finish patting it in place how you would like it, you just press it down against your nail and you cure in your nail lamp for at least 30 to 60 seconds. Once you have it on your nail, you want to make sure that you clean up around the cuticle area, because if you cure it on the skin, it will be very hard to get up. And also you want to make sure that you smooth it out underneath the nail. And then here I'm just going to my next nail and I'm just doing the same thing for all of the nails. When moving to my second nail, I actually forgot to cure these nail flakes in place. So when I applied my polygel, luckily they didn't move too much. And also I just want to say that when working with this type of foil, you want to make sure that you go ahead and break it into pieces or the size that you want for your nail before you even start putting it on, because once you have like base coat and stuff on your nails and you try to tear it apart, it will stick to like your nail in places that you don't want it to stick, and it will kind of be difficult to work with.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
And here's how the nails look once I finish applying them. And then next I'm just taking the nail file that came in the kit and just filing the spillage areas in near the cuticle and also the free edge. And I did use the glue as my peel off base coat, which is why once I started filing, as you can see, my pinky came off and also 3 other nails also did. So I just had to be gentle with it and just make sure that I file it so that it wouldn't come off. And for my pinky, when it came off, I just used a little bit of base coat, put on my nail, and just cured it back on. And since I had to be careful with the hand file, I just went in with my e-file and went a little more around the cuticle in places that I had to file, but I did that off camera. So once I finished doing that, I'm just taking my buffer and just buffing the surface of the nails. And once I finish doing all of that, I'm just taking some 70% rubbing alcohol and just wiping off all the dust from my nails and make sure that I'm getting in the cuticle area. And these are how the nails are looking. And then last step, I'm just taking some top coat and just painting a layer over all the nails. And then I'm going to cure in my nail lamp for 1 minute. And once I finished curing the nails, these are how they turn out. I didn't add any bling because I wanted to keep these simple. I love these flakes. I will be using them in the future a whole lot. And as always, if you have made it this far, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.